I have been traveling a lot. My room has been a bit neglected. She could really benefit from a nice deep clean. So this is what we're looking at. It's not too bad, but girl, there's like a sheen of dust on everything and I cannot live like this any longer. We are going to clean my bedroom and my bathroom. Closet will be an entirely different video because that's how much help that one needs. I am going to be trying to talk as little as possible. Let's get into the early spring cleaning. I usually start in the bathroom because I hate it and I just want to get it over with. And today I was like, oh my God, I'm going to be crazy. I'm going to do the bedroom first. But girl, no, we're going to start in the bathroom. Sorry. And now the sun is out and the sun is shining. It was supposed to be raining today. We're up. We're so up. No more talking. Let's just get into the cleaning. I don't like to clean the toilet on camera because I feel like people are going to be like, you're doing that wrong, because I probably am doing it wrong. The bathroom is done. We're going to move into the bedroom. That one is a lot quicker. Once I do that, we're going to vacuum and mop and then we'll be done. Look, this isn't like the deepest of cleans, I realize, but anything is better than what it was. And I'm not striving for amazing. I'm striving for good enough. We are chugging along quite nicely, but now I need to clean my fan. It is so incredibly dusty. If I change the settings on it, like from high to low or low to medium, dust flies off. And I'm like, I can't keep doing this. So we're gonna handle that and then vacuum and then yada, yada, yada. You know the deal. Look how much dust was. Ugh. So close to being done. 2 things left though. I just realized that the laundry has been done for quite some time. And I have this disinfecting mist that smells like eucalyptus peppermint. It smells so freaking good. So I'm gonna spray this on like my rugs and my ottoman, my Slowpoke, and then fold the clothes and then we're done. Girl, we're so close, we're so close. Maybe I sprayed too much, too many chemicals. The laundry is folded, everything is put away, everything is clean. Girl, I cannot remember the last time my room was this clean. And still there's like probably a lot more that I could do, but you know, we'll leave that for another day. This is the final product. It feels so clean. It feels so nice. A lot of smells happening. Use so many chemicals. It feels and smells clean. This is the best thing to do after being gone for so long. It just feels like this is my space again. I know the shower tonight is gonna hit so hard and then I'm gonna sleep so well because the chemicals are gonna put me to sleep and also because I'm just so nice and relaxed and content. I hope this motivated you to clean your space, and if not, hopefully you just liked it for the ASMR. If I'm being honest, that's why I watch these kinds of videos. My next video will be my closet clean out because girl, like once I get it going, like I'm like, we might as well just do the whole thing. I will see you next time for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.